Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well. I actually am back with another tutorial to share with you today. This one is very straightforward and to the point. It's a quick and easy stamping nail art. To see how I came about with this look, keep on watching. For the base of my nail art, I'll be going in and using Girly Bits Quantum Leap, which was a limited edition to the Beautometry's Wrinkle in Time February My Banny box. I just absolutely love how this polish builds and the color of it. Since I've already gone in and applied my top coat, which helps my base color to dry quickly, I'll now be going in and applying some of Girly Bits Border Patrol around my cuticle area, which will help to make the cleanup process of the stamping that much easier. For the stamping nail art, I'll be using the MoYou London's Minimalist collection number 03 stamping plate. And as you can see here, it does come with this protective covering for your stamping plate. And there is a blue film that comes on most, well not even most, all stamping plates. If it's not blue, it is then white or clear. And this does have to be removed before you can do any type of stamping. And as you can see, this plate does have a variety of interesting images that can be used for nail art. For the stamping, I'll be using my all-time favorite clear jelly stamper Big Bling along with Mundo de Unas light gold stamping polish. And now that everything has been cleaned up, I'll be going in and applying one thin coat of Girly Bits What a Rush top coat to help seal in my mani. And there you have it. When I did this nail art, I wanted to make sure I did something that wasn't going to take away from my base color and overpower it, and this image was the perfect fit. For those of you returning to my channel, thanks for staying tuned, and for my new subscribers, thanks for joining and welcome. As always, if you liked or disliked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And as always, stay glamorous.